Welcome back to Glam Tones Besties. My name is Gigi. We're going to start today's set with a beautiful black base, and all 5 nails are going to get that black treatment. And yeah, a lot of times the New Year's nails are black because New Year's happens at midnight and it's dark outside. And so there you go. Sorry. I'm not very voiceover worthy today, guys. My voice is super gravelly. I'm a little bit sleepy. So what I'm going to do is just pop in a little here, a little there, and let you know what I'm doing, and let you just listen to some lovely music as you watch me put numbers on these nails. We're going to focus on 3 nails and enjoy. Okay, now we're going to make some 3D elements, and we're going to use these cute clock molds. There's a lot of other things on here, but the 2 clocks are what we're going to use this time. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some white gel polish in there and cure it up. And then we're going to add builder gel for strength behind that white. I need to practice my technique on these and get a little better, but these new molds are fantastic. I'm going to look up what they're called on Amazon so you guys can find them, because there's not like any number or anything, but they had several sets, so that way you guys can check them out. Okay, on this next nail, we're going to start with a little bit of pink cat eye. This particular polish is by Model Ones, and it's actually a pretty nice cat eye. I am not upset with it. We're going to use it as a background for some firework nails, which, guys, you should just roast me in the comments on these two. There's going to be two of them, but I need to work on my technique where the um, where the firework portion comes in. I did not do the best job, but you let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, next up is a little base coat on this nail that has nothing on it yet because we're going to add these 3D clocks. First, I'm going to put the more ornate clock at the top. And you don't have to do two. You don't even have to like do a 3D clock. You could, draw out a clock. I've done that on previous years. So that's definitely something that you could do. Now it's time for a little top coat and some gems. And here's all 5 nails of the finished set. Um, Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. We've got the 2026 nail, our countdown nail, a little clock action because of the striking of midnight, and of course, fireworks. Um, like I said, I'm not 100% sure the fireworks really came out that great, but I've got plenty of time between now and the 4th of July to practice more. Guys, thank you so much for watching today. Sorry about my gravelly voice. I will do my best to be better for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to check out that Salon coupon code in the description. Mwah. Bye-bye.